Hello and welcome to Zimstead Media. Zimbabwean controversial prophet Passion Java has spoken on the types of women. He has also given advice on what to do when confronted with the certain type of women in marriages.
When a woman is in love, when she is truly in love with a man, she softens herself. She's calm. She becomes submissive. She honors and respects the man. Not when she loves or she wants a man, when she's truly in love. There's a difference between in love and loving somebody. If a woman is truly in love, she listens to you. She submits to you and allows you to lead. She does not compete with you. She does not argue with you. But if she's not truly in love with you, if she needs you, she will raise her voice against you. She will shout at you. She will disrespect you. And every topic you bring, it becomes an argument. Anything you try to put in place in your house, it becomes a fight. Disrespect from a woman to a man is the only sign that tells you this is not the right woman for you. If you're already married, you die starving, because until death do us apart. But if you're dating one, run with your life. God bless you.
For more stories, please do like and subscribe.